Mama.
Say hi. Ooh. That's my #1 fan right here.
Mama.
Aww.
Hey.
That's Mama.
Mama.
Originally, I got the ET 3830 because I What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Today, we are, I should say, because puppy's off today. Yay! So today, we are going to decorate, finally, for Christmas. Put our tree up, try to, I think either today or tomorrow, put lights up outside, go shopping for decor. I plan on going to Dollar Tree, Hobby Lobby, and I think that's it. Dollar Tree, that's the goal for today. So I'm gonna eat. I got me some leftover chicken on the air fryer. It's 10 o'clock in the morning. Don't judge me, I'm hungry. But look. It's from this diner that's in my town called ABD Diner. I'm gonna shout y'all out because y'all rock. The wings are fire. So yeah, I'm gonna eat, take you guys with me to Dollar Tree, and then we're gonna put up some stuff. The tote bag dupe from Amazon. Y'all know, like the Marc Jacobs bag, but this is like half the cost, and it's literally like the same thing, except it doesn't have Marc Jacobs at the bottom. Got a little organizer in the inside. I know it's kind of dark, sorry about the lighting, but I'm about to run to the store. So yeah, this was 39 bucks. Really cute, really sturdy. It's a quick go into the store bag. I'll have the link down below. I'll take you guys along to Dollar Tree. I think Dollar Tree is the first stop, and then Hobby Lobby. So, fit. Got the mommy fit. Got the Crocs on. And the coat. That's all. Well, that's it. It's cold outside. Okay guys, we are back from Dollar Tree, and we went to Walmart instead of Hobby Lobby. So actually about a week ago we got this from Hobby Lobby, this like Christmas trees. So from Dollar Tree we found these Christmas trees. There's 2 of them. They're only, how tall are these? I think 3 feet. But this looks so cute around my fireplace downstairs. So I got that, and Kayla, my daughter's gonna decorate it, and my niece. So, and then we also got garland for the tree. We got a gold one and a silver one, and then we got these 2 cars with Christmas trees on top and a star from Dollar Tree. It's so cool. Might put that in the bathroom or something. Got 2 of those. We got decorative bells from Dollar Tree again. I got the bells for the tree. Got 3 of those. And I got Christmas tree toppers for the minis to go right on top. It's gonna be so cute. Got a silver and a gold one. And then these were cute. Yardsticks. Got a Santa. You want to say hi? And a snowman.
No.
You say hi. I'm I'm gonna edit that out. And then this is, oh, I forgot one more store. This is from Dee Dee's Discounts. Christmas blessing. It's so cute. And then from Walmart, I don't think we got that much. Well, we got a tree, a new Christmas tree in the car. And we just got a bunch of lights for the outside. 300 multicolor, got 2 of those. And then 100 multicolored. And I think that's it. Yep. Oh, that's a good picture right there. So we are decorating for Christmas. Oh, where's my hubby? We are decorating.
I gotta go to Hobby Lobby.
Why?
Gotta get a big wreath.
You gotta get a big wreath?
Yeah, 60% off.
What?
Yeah.
Whoa. We're going. Kids, watch the boy. We gotta go to Hobby Lobby and get a big wreath. Be right back. Hey y'all, look at this. So we're gonna try this DiGiorno mac and cheese pizza. Never seen this before and it looks good. It's made by, I guess, Stouffer's mac and cheese. And I like Stouffer's mac and cheese, so they couldn't go wrong with this one, right? So we just got back trying to find a 5-foot wreath. 5-foot wreath. But no luck. So we have to check out probably Home Depot and see if we can find a big wreath because we want to put it up there. There's a big window up there. And yeah, so that's our night. Gonna make this pizza. This is gonna be for the kids. I'm just gonna taste it because it looks really good. I'm watching my cousin's podcast, Man Over Music, Music Over Man. Make sure you guys go follow their Instagram and their YouTube channel. Dope Conversations. Yeah.